How about a 69 Camaro Yenko clone? Somebody built a tribute Yenko car. And it's got a rat motor in it. Very nice. Very nicely detailed car. Has all the stuff. I'm in an auction at Mag Auctions in Hot August nights. Got the Yenko seat top headrest. Got the gauges down below and tack. Custom steering wheel. 5-spoke American style wheels. Very cool car. The guy'd be proud to call it his own. Fake or not, it's great. And I don't have any problem with fake cars. You get just as much enjoyment out of them at a third of the cost or less. And this one is a beauty. They used a non-RS car, which is okay. Maybe Yenko used non-RSs, I don't know.